Hello everyone. We have economics of power generation having different terms like load factor, demand factor, plant capacity factor, plant use factor, etc. In the last video, we have seen the equations for that. In this video, we will be discussing on some of the numerical problems associated with economics of power generation. First problem. The maximum demand on power station is 100 megawatt. If the annual load factor is 40%, calculate the total energy generated in a year. Your maximum demand is given as the 100 megawatt and load factor, annual load factor is 40% or it is equal to 0.4. We are asked to calculate the energy generated. We know that load factor is average demand by maximum demand. And energy generated is average demand into hours in a year, or average demand is energy by hours, energy generated per year by hours in a year. So, energy generated per year is average demand into hours in a year. And average demand is maximum demand into load factor. From the load factor equation, it is load factor is average demand by maximum demand or average demand equal to maximum demand into load factor into hours in a year. We have given it as maximum demand 100 megawatt, 100 into 10 raised to 3 and load factor is 0.4. Hours in a year is 24 into 365 or 8760. So we will get the answer as 3504 into 10 raised to 5 kilowatt hour is the annual energy generated. Next question. A generating station has a connected load of 43 megawatt and maximum demand of 20 megawatt. The units generated being 61.5 into 10 raised to 6 per annum. Calculate the demand factor and load factor. Here the connected load is 43 megawatt, maximum demand is 20 megawatt. We are asked to find the demand factor. What is the demand factor? It is maximum demand by connected load. Maximum demand is 20, connected load is 43. Directly we can substitute and find the demand factor as 0.465. And load factor. We are asked to find the load factor. Load factor is average demand by maximum demand. Maximum demand is given. Average demand we have to find. For finding the average demand, here units generated is given. Average demand is units generated divided by hours in a year. Units generated per year by hours in a year. That is 61.5 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 8760. So it is 7020 kilowatt. So the load factor is average demand by maximum demand 7020 by 20 in megawatt 20 into 10 raised to 3. That is 0.351 or 35.1 percentage. Next question. A diesel station supplies the following loads to various consumers. Industrial consumer 1500 kilowatt, commercial establishment 750 kilowatt, domestic power 100 kilowatt, domestic light 450 kilowatt. If the maximum demand on the station is 2500 kilowatt and the number of kilowatt hour generated per year is 45 into 10 raised to 5. Determine the diversity factor and annual load factor. We are asked to find the diversity factor. The equation is sum of individual maximum demands divided by maximum demand in the station. Sum of individual maximum demand of each equipment, each consumer. So here individual maximum demand is given as for each consumer 1500 kilowatt, 750, 100 and 450. So it is 1500 plus 750 plus 100 plus 450 divided by Maximum demand on the station is also given directly 2,500. So the diversity factor is 1.12. Now we are asked to find the annual load factor. Load factor is average load by average demand by maximum demand, or average load by maximum load. Average load we can find out from the generated energy generated per year. Energy generated per year divided by total hours 8760. 45 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 8760. That is 513.7 kilowatt is the average load. So the annual load factor is 513.7 divided by 2500, that is 0.205. Next question. A generating station has following load cycle. Load cycle is given. Draw the load curve and find maximum demand, units generated per day, average load, and load factor. Here we are asked to find the load curve. Load curve is a curve between load and time of operation. Time in hours. We can plot 0 to like 24 hours. Now we can see that 0 to 6 hours load is 40 megawatt. So 0 to 6 hours 40 megawatt. 6 to 10 hours 50 megawatts. 10 to 12 60. Like that we can complete the load curve from the given data. Now we are asked to find the maximum demand. Maximum demand we will obtain directly from the load curve, or by looking at this data also we can write the maximum demand. It is 70 megawatt. Maximum demand on the for a day is 70 megawatt. Next is units generated per day. We know that area under the load curve gives units generated per day. Area is load into time of operation. That is 40 into 6 plus 50 into 4 plus 60 into 2 plus 70 plus 50, again 50, 50 into 4 plus 70 into 4 plus 40 into 4. That is the area under the load curve. That is 1200 megawatt hour is the units generated per day. Then average load. Average load is units generated per day divided by 24. Since we are considering the day, it is units generated divided by 24. That is 50,000. This value divided by 24 gives 50,000 kilowatt. Now load factor. Load factor is average demand by maximum demand. Average demand we have found out it as 50,000 kilowatt or 50 megawatt. Average load and demand are same. 50 by maximum demand is 70. 50 by 70, that is 0.714. Another question. The daily demand for three consumers are given below at different times. Plot the load curve and find maximum demand of individual consumers. Maximum first we are asked to plot the load curve. Load curve can be plotted for 12 to 12 or 24 hours. From here we are given it as 12 midnight to 12. So we can plot like that itself, 12 to 12. 12 to 8 a.m. it is 200 watts total. Total of consumer 1, 2 and 3, 200 watts. 8 to 2 p.m. 600 plus 200. 8 to 2 p.m. 600 plus 200 is 800 watts. Then 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. 1000 plus 1200 plus 200. 2400 watts. 2400 watts. Then 4 to 10 p.m. 800 watts. 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. 200 plus 200 400 watts. So we can plot the load curve. Now we are asked to find the maximum demand of individual consumer. For each consumer, what is the maximum demand? From the data itself, we can see that for the consumer one, It is no load 600 watt, 200 watts, 800 watts, and no load. So maximum demand is 800 watts. For the consumer 2, it is 200 no load, 1000 no load, 200. So it is 1000 watts. Consumer 3, it is 1200 watts. That is the maximum demand of individual consumer. Next is load factor of individual consumer. Load factor is average load by maximum demand. Average demand by maximum demand. So average demand of consumer 1. Average demand of consumer 1 is total energy generated by the consumer 1 divided by 24 hours. No load, that is 0. Then 600 megawatt, 600 watts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. So total hours is 6 hours. 8 to 12, and that is 4 plus 2. 6 hours. 600 into 6. Then 2 to 4, 2 hours. 200 into 2. 4 to 10, 6. Again 6 hours. 800 into 6. Plus 10 p.m. to 12. 2 into 0. So 600 into 6 plus 200 into 2 plus 800 into 6. That is the total energy generated per day for the consumer 1 divided by 24. That is the average demand of consumer 1. 366.6. Load factor will be average demand by maximum demand. 366.6 divided by maximum demand of consumer 1 is 800 watts. 800. That is 0.458. Similarly, we can find it for consumer 2 also. For consumer 2, 200 into 8 hours, 12 to 8, 200 into 2, 0 into 6, 1000 into 2, 0 into 6, 200 into 2. So 200 into 8, 1000 into 2, 200 into 2. So 0 will get cancelled. Divided by 24 equal to 166.6, and maximum demand is 1000. So 166.6 divided by 1000 is 0.16 is the load factor. Similarly for consumer 3 also we can find it as 0 into 8, 200 into 6, 1200 into 2, 0 into 6, 200 into 2 divided by 24 is the average load, and maximum demand is 1200. We will get the answer as 0.138. Next question is diversity factor, load factor of individual consumers and diversity factor. Diversity factor is sum of the maximum individual maximum demands divided by maximum demand. So individual maximum demand on the station means here 800 is the maximum demand. Here for the consumer 2 it is 1000 and 1200. So it is 800 plus 1000 plus 1200 divided by maximum demand on the station can be obtained from the load curve. This 2400 is the maximum demand on the station. 2400. So the diversity factor is 1.25. Now we are asked to find the load factor. Load factor of the station. Load factor is average demand by maximum demand. So total energy consumed per day divided by simultaneous maximum demand into 24, or here we have given it as energy consumed. So we have to multiply with 24 with the maximum demand while we are taking the energy. If it is demand, we can directly take the maximum demand without multiplying the 24. So total energy consumed is obtained from the area of the load curve. 200 into 8, 800 into 4, plus 2200 into 2 plus 800 into again 4, 400 into 2. The same we will get, and divided by maximum demand is 2400 into 24. We will get the station load factor as 29.1 percentage. Another question, this is a university question taken from the university question paper. A power station is to supply four regions of loads whose peak values are 10,000 kilowatt, 5,000 kilowatt, 8,000 kilowatt, and 7,000 kilowatt. The diversity factor of the load at the station is 1.5. The average load factor is 60%. Calculate the maximum demand on the station and annual energy supplied from the station. Here, load we are asked to find the maximum demand on the station and energy. Maximum For finding the maximum demand, we have given it the diversity factor. The diversity factor is given as 1.5. Diversity factor is sum of individual maximum demand by diversity factor. And individual maximum demand diversity factor is sum of individual maximum demand by maximum demand. So 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 8,000 plus 7,000 divided by 1.5 give maximum demand, that is 20,000 kilowatt. Next, we are asked to find the energy supplied. For finding the energy, we can find the average demand. The load factor is given as 0.6. Load factor equal to average load by maximum demand. We got the maximum demand value, so we can find the average load. Average load equal to 0.6 into maximum demand. That is 12,000 kilowatt. Now the annual energy supplied is average load into time in hours. This is the average load. It is annual energy supplied is asked. So it is average load into 8760. Next question. A power station has a maximum demand of 15,000 kilowatt. The load factor is 50% and capacity factor is 40%. Calculate the reserve capacity of the plant. Here, load factor and plant capacity factor is given. Here asked to find the reserve capacity. We know that reserve capacity is plant capacity minus maximum demand. Plant capacity is for supplying maximum demand and the reserve capacity. So reserve capacity is plant capacity minus maximum demand. Maximum demand is already given and load factor is 0.5. So we can find the average load. Average load equal to maximum demand into load factor, that is 7,500 kilowatt. And plant capacity factor is annual kilowatt hour output divided by plant capacity into 8760. That is given as 0.4. So plant capacity is annual kilowatt hour output, that is average load into 8760. That is the annual kilowatt hour output. 7,500 into 8760 divided by plant capacity factor 0.4 into 8760 gives plant capacity in kilowatts, that is 18,750 kilowatt. So the reserve capacity is plant capacity minus maximum demand. So 18,750 minus 15,000 gives the reserve capacity of the plant. These are the important questions from the portion of economics of power generation. Thank you.